BMW oil change, how often? How often should I change the oil on my BMW? Regardless of what you're told when your car is new, there's usually an adjustment that needs to be made when we talk about long-term reliability and maintenance. My recommendation is to service your oil every 5,000 miles with a premium full synthetic engine oil. Certain models, like some M cars, I say the best practice is 3,000, but some of my customers choose to take it to the 5K. As long as you're using a premium engine oil specifically made for an engine like yours, you're already on a good path. So why? Even the oil manufacturers say their oil is good for 10,000 miles. Well, it's about preventative maintenance. Sure, the oil is still doing some of its job above 5,000 miles, but it's not operating at 100%. And when we're talking about maintaining an engine that costs probably well above $10,000, do we really need to be getting every last penny out of the engine oil use? Or do you want to get every last penny out of your engine that's probably going to last over 300,000 miles with proper maintenance? So do it yearly no matter what. You don't just want to change the oil. The 5,000 mile mark or the yearly mark is a good time to have the whole car looked over so we can prevent other wear and failures. When you take your car to a professional like us, it's not just an oil service. It's an oil service and a 300-point complete vehicle inspection, so we catch stuff before it breaks, which also saves you money and the hassle of having a broken car. So hit me up for your next oil service. Let me schedule you a ride somewhere, a loaner car, try our pickup and delivery service. We love working on BMWs, and we love making the service experience awesome for you.